Have you ever noticed that the moment you stop trying to impress a woman, she suddenly starts thinking about you all the time, almost like something invisible pulled her attention toward you? And the strange part is, you didn't do anything extra, you actually did less. Most men never understand this truth, and because of that, they keep making the same mistake again and again. They try harder, they give more attention, they show more interest, and in the process, they slowly lose the very attraction they were trying to build, because attraction is not created by effort, it is created by emotional space. When you try too hard to be liked, you become easy to understand, easy to predict, and easy to forget. But when you stop trying so much, when you pull your energy back, something changes in the way she sees you, because now there is a gap, a space, something unknown, and that unknown feeling starts to grow inside her mind. The truth is simple but powerful. Mystery is the fuel of obsession, and most men kill that mystery by over-explaining themselves, by always being available, by always replying fast, by always trying to prove their worth. But a woman does not obsess over the man who is always there, always ready, always predictable. She becomes obsessed with the man she cannot fully understand, the man whose attention feels valuable, not something she can get anytime she wants. What she is really reacting to is not your looks, not your words, but the emotional experience you create, and that emotional experience becomes stronger when there is a little uncertainty, not confusion, not mind games, but a natural feeling that your life is already full, already meaningful, and already moving forward whether she is there or not. This is where most men go wrong. They think showing more interest will make her more interested. But the opposite is often true. Showing less need creates more desire, and this changes everything once you truly understand it. When she feels that you are calm, centered, and not affected by every small thing she says or does, her mind starts to react in a completely different way. Instead of you chasing her attention, she starts chasing your clarity. She begins to wonder what you think about her. She starts replaying your conversations in her mind, trying to understand your words, your tone, your silence. And slowly, without even realizing it, she starts filling the quiet moments with thoughts about you. And this is the point where obsession begins, not because you forced it, not because you tried to control her thoughts, but because you gave her the space to create those thoughts on her own. And that is the truth nobody talks about openly. Obsession is self-created. You don't put ideas into her head. You simply allow her mind to do the work by not overloading her with constant attention and validation. This is where a deeper understanding comes in, something most people ignore. And that is the power of emotional control, the power of being steady. And this is exactly where Stoic thinking becomes your biggest advantage. A Stoic man does not react emotionally to everything. He does not get overly excited by attention, he does not get desperate for affection, and he does not break down because of rejection. He stays the same, stable, calm, and grounded no matter what happens around him. He does not look for validation from others because he already values himself. He does not rush to reply because he is not trying to prove anything. And he does not change his behavior based on someone else's mood, because his identity is not dependent on external reactions. This kind of emotional stability is rare, and because it is rare, it becomes deeply attractive. When she notices that her presence does not control your emotions, that you are not easily shaken, that you remain steady whether she gives you attention or not, something powerful starts to happen inside her mind. She feels drawn toward you in a way she cannot fully explain, because most men react emotionally. Most men chase, most men seek approval, but you are different, you are grounded, and that difference makes you stand out without even trying. Most men think attraction comes from saying more, doing more, and proving more, but a Stoic man understands something deeper. Sometimes saying less creates more impact, sometimes doing less creates more curiosity. Instead of chasing constant conversation, he allows silence to exist, and that silence is not empty, it is powerful, because silence creates anticipation, silence creates curiosity, and silence gives her mind the space to think about you. When you are not always available, when you are not always explaining yourself, She starts to wonder what you are doing, who you are with, what you are thinking. And the more she wonders, the more emotionally invested she becomes, because now her mind is actively trying to understand you. What she is really doing is trying to read you, trying to figure you out, trying to make sense of your behavior, and when she cannot fully do that, when there is always something just out of reach, she becomes more interested, more curious, more drawn in. And at that point, you are no longer just another man in her life. You become a puzzle, something her mind wants to solve, something that keeps pulling her attention back again and again. This is why emotional restraint is so powerful and why it is often more attractive than emotional expression. Because when you control your emotions instead of displaying them constantly, you create a presence that feels strong, rare, and impossible to ignore. When you stop oversharing, when you stop explaining every small detail about your life, when you stop trying to make her understand you completely, and when you stop seeking approval for who you are, something powerful begins to happen. You start becoming high value without needing to say it, without needing to prove it, without needing to show it directly. And this is exactly where most men fail, because they believe they must convince her that they are interesting. They believe they must entertain her constantly, impress her constantly, and validate themselves constantly. But a Stoic man never tries to prove anything. He simply exists in his own confidence, and she feels that presence without him needing to explain it. The real shift begins in your mindset, because you are no longer trying to win her attention. Instead, you are allowing her to earn access to your time, your energy, and your emotional presence. And when this shift happens internally, your external behavior starts to change automatically without force, without effort, and without overthinking. You stop being the one who always texts first. You stop talking more than necessary. You stop explaining your schedule just to keep her updated, and you stop asking for reassurance about how she feels. And without even noticing it, you transform into the man she starts thinking about more often, the man she starts chasing, because now she feels something that is rare for her, something that most men never create, and that feeling is uncertainty. Uncertainty is powerful because it triggers emotional investment. It makes her mind active, it makes her curious, it makes her wonder, and that wondering slowly turns into deeper thinking. She starts checking her phone more often to see if you reached out. She starts noticing when you are online. She starts asking herself why you haven't texted yet, and all these small thoughts begin to build a pattern inside her mind, and that pattern slowly grows into obsession. But here's something very important to understand. You are not ignoring her, because ignoring comes from emotion. Ignoring is reactive. Ignoring is done to get a response. But what you are doing is different. You are simply not prioritizing her above everything else in your life, and that difference changes the entire dynamic. The truth that most people never say openly is that women are naturally drawn to men whose lives feel bigger than them, men who have purpose, discipline, direction, and inner calm. And when she senses that your life is already full and meaningful, she begins to feel that being part of your world is something valuable, something she must earn, not something she automatically deserves. And what she truly craves is not constant attention, but emotional security. And that security does not come from how much you text her. It comes from how stable you are as a person. When you do not react to her mood swings, when you do not chase her when she pulls away, and when you do not panic when she becomes silent, she starts feeling something unusual, something she does not often experience, and that feeling is safety, and safety creates attachment in a very deep way. Most men become anxious the moment she becomes distant. They overthink, they double text, they try to fix the situation immediately, but a Stoic man does the opposite. He becomes even calmer, even more grounded, and this calmness makes her question everything. It makes her wonder why you are not reacting like other men. It makes her think about you, even when you are not present. Very few men understand this simple truth. The less you need her, the more she begins to need you. And this is where the dynamic starts to shift completely. When she begins to invest emotionally, when she starts putting in effort, when she starts showing more interest, you do not rush in to reward it immediately. You remain consistent, you remain grounded, and you remain composed. And this consistency builds something powerful inside her mind, something she may not even be able to explain, and that is trust. Trust slowly transforms attraction into something deeper, something stronger, something more intense, because now she is not just curious about you anymore, she feels emotionally drawn toward you. She starts wanting your approval, she starts wanting your attention, and most importantly, she starts wanting to feel chosen by you. This changes everything because now you are no longer trying to create attraction. You are simply allowing her emotions to build it on their own. What she is really doing during this time is observing your reactions. She is measuring how you respond to situations, how you handle distance, how you react to attention. And when she notices that there is no jealousy, no neediness, no pressure coming from you, she starts seeing you as a man who has options, a man who is confident, a man who is in control of himself, and self-control is one of the most attractive qualities a man can have. Most men speak too much. They try to fill every silence. They try to keep conversations going at any cost. But a stoic man understands the power of listening. He speaks slowly, he speaks with intention, and he does not rush to fill every gap. He is comfortable with silence, and that comfort creates a different kind of energy. It makes her lean in emotionally, because now she feels that she must put effort to understand you. And effort is what creates attachment. Because when she starts putting effort into conversations, when she starts thinking carefully about what to say, when she starts wondering how to impress you, she becomes emotionally invested without even realizing it. And the more she invests, the harder it becomes for her to walk away, because now her emotions are tied to the effort she has already given. The truth that very few people talk about is that obsession is not built by how much you do. It is built by how much she does emotionally. It is built by the effort coming from her side, not yours. And once you understand this, your approach completely changes. You become patient, you stop rushing the process, you allow time to do its work, and you allow her curiosity to grow naturally instead of forcing it. You understand that rushing kills mystery, and mystery is what keeps her mind engaged. So you become the man who is present but not chasing, interested but not needy, calm but not cold, strong but not aggressive, and this balance is extremely rare. Very few men ever reach this level of control. Over time, she begins to feel that you are emotionally different from every other man she has met. She may not be able to explain it logically, but she feels it deeply, and feelings are far more powerful than words when it comes to attraction. By the time she realizes that she is thinking about you constantly, that you are on her mind even when you are not around, you have done almost nothing actively, except remain centered, disciplined, and emotionally stable. And that is the real power of Stoicism and attraction. You do not try to control her feelings. You simply control your own reactions, and those reactions shape how she feels about you. And once you truly understand this, something shifts inside you. You stop chasing women completely, and ironically, that is when women start chasing you, because now you are something different in her world. You are calm where others are chaotic. You are mysterious where others are predictable, and you are rare, and rare is something people cannot easily ignore.